actors, thank you for sharing. No, it's so incredibly moving to hear you guys really pour your heart out about the film. Maraming salamat po. Next up, let's hear from Stars Photo. We have Alan Sancon.
Congratulations sa first Cinesilip Film Festival. Yeah, medyo matagal namin din nakausap yung mga BMX because yan, ngayon this is the first time. Tanong ko din yung mga first time director siguro. Dahil first movie nyo dito sa first Cinesilip Film Festival. Tanong ko lang, dahil may awards night dito, di ba? So anong mas gusto nyo bilang first time movie nyo to? Yung kumita yung movie ninyo, or manalo kayo bilang director, or manalo yung film nyo bilang best film? Ayan, very tough question pero dapat yung sagutin.
Ano nga po ulit yung question?
Ano yung gusto mo? Manalo ka bilang best director at best film yung film mo? Or kumita yung movie?
Kumita na lang po para may pera. Hindi, sabi ko nga sa actors ko, dapat hindi kami magpadala sa pressure kasi since festival to, so technically it's a competition. So sabi ko sa kanila, pag naging proud sila sa gawa namin, okay na sa akin yan. So, pera na lang.
Parang pera o ba yun? Si Direk naman na isa. Ayan. Dalawa lang kayo na first time, di ba? Na first film na to. Dalawa? Tatlo.
Sa akin naman po, sa akin kasi gusto ko lang ng maging maganda yung pelikula. I mean, regardless of the award. Tsaka gusto ko rin pong parang I've worked with different projects na rin kasi sa VMX and nagkakaroon sila ng prejudice about the projects na ay VMX ganyan lang sila ganyan. So, ang gusto ko lang po talaga is mabigyan ng boses yung erotic films na parang hindi porket erotic film ito ay wala na siyang saysay. Wala siyang boses and all. So, that's why nung ginawa namin tong film na to, we made sure na itong film ay magkakaroon ng boses at hindi siya, kumbaga, maging aware yung tao na hindi porket VMX film yan ay i-skip niya na. Yun yung joke eh. Gusto natin na pag VMX film or regardless kung anong film, even if it's erotic, papanoorin siya because may tema, may boses at maganda. So yun po. So yun, regardless of the award or what, mas dun po kami sa impact ng pelikula. So yun.
So, ayaw mo rin ng award. Joke lang.
Hello po. Kung tatanungin talaga kami kung anong gusto namin, gusto talaga namin ng pera. Para mabayaran namin lahat ng mga pagkakautang ng movie natin. Hindi, bilang first time, kinakabahan kasi ako eh. First time ko eh. Bilang first time ko sa pagiging director ng movie na to, award talaga ang habol ko. Kasi kapag nandiyan yung award, nagka-follow na siya eh, na lahat ng tao naniniwala na sa'yo. Lahat ng makakita sa'yo, makakilala sa'yo, maniniwala, magaling ito gumawa, kaya niyang gumawa. So sa tulad ko na matagal ako sa industry na nag-start ako as production assistant, kay Direk Mang Alejandre, kay Direk Joey Lamangan, kay Direk Mario, kay Direk Wendy Ramas. Lahat ng posisyon na puntahan ko talaga para lang maging director ako. Kasi yun po yung payo sa akin ni Direk Mario. So yun, talagang award yung hanap namin, hindi lang dahil nagmamakaawa kang magkaroon ng award. Kasi gusto namin patunayan na kahit nagkaroon ng maraming problema yung story na to, gusto kong ipakita na maganda ang story ni Blue. Thank you.
Thank you. Yung second question ko to Martin saka kay Tony, yeah. This is new for you, di ba? Ang magkaroon ng, I don't know if this is new for you as an actor. Pero, what are the challenges you encounter doing this film, erotic film, dito sa first Cinesilip Film Festival? what can you share to us, yung memorable experience nyo, yung challenges you encounter doing this film? First, Tony. At kayo yung nasa poster, no? Di ba?
Yes. Ako po ba?
Yeah, both. Tony and Martin.
You wanna go first? So, yung challenges for me is like, I'm saludo sa mga nag-Viva Max or like Bold, because that means like you're quite comfortable in your own skin to be able to present yourself that way. And honestly, I always tell people I'm a good catfish. Like what you see online, it's just the best version of me. But you know, like I'm not really that confident in my body. Like I can't just show up on set naked. Like that's not something I'm even confident, because I don't even think my body looks that nice. So, you know, that was a really huge hurdle for me. I really told Direk, like, okay, these are the parts of my body na, I don't know, you have to edit some, you have to edit this because I don't think this looks nice, and or I'm insecure about this angle, and yeah, like just showing up on set, and it's a different kind of vulnerability. Like it's not just your emotions. Now you're like literally revealing yourself, you're like your physical body. So for me, that was really challenging, and for me, that's the most challenging part about this. Yeah, it's like you're gonna bare yourself, like a side of yourself, to all these people who get to see it and will judge like your physical appearance. Because with our movie, it was really so much fun. Because like it was really fun. Like all of our scenes were so fun. So for me, it's just the physical aspect of it.
But before Martin, follow up ko lang, gaano ka-daring yung role mo dito?
You'll have to watch the movie to find out.
Okay, thank you Tony. Si Martin naman. Sa poster pa lang, grabe na yung poster, di ba?
Sa akin naman po, hindi naman po bago sa akin yung paggawa ng mga sexy na roles. Pero yun nga, ang masasabi ko, ito yung pinaka-daring kong ginawa. Kaya kung challenging siya kasi gaya nga sinabi ni Tony na parang may yung paghuhubad, yung pagpapakita ng skin, parang vulnerability nga na may mga actors yan. And not just me, including my co-actors. Kaya we're very lucky na meron kaming intimacy workshop para ma-explore yung boundaries ng isa't isa. Kasi pwede naman mangyari yung, sige maghubad tayo, gawin natin yung best natin din sa mga sex scenes, maghubad tayo. Pero at least may respeto. Alam mo kung when to stop, kung kailan yung pwede mong itodo. So, ayun, yun yung mas exciting and challenging part of doing erotic films.
Speaking of todo, gaano ka-daring din yung role mo dito? At tinodo, yung tinodo mong...
medyo, daring, may maraming dilaan ng tsokolating. At actually magaganda, tastefully done. Maganda yung mga sex scenes dito. Parang, narinig ko kanina may sumagot, para siyang art pagpapanoorin, hindi siya bastos. May gustong message na iparating.
Okay, thank you and congratulations everyone. Thank you, Phoebe.
Thank you. Okay, next up.